everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, we'll compare Zoho Flow, Zoho Catalyst and external server and help you to choose the right service for your business. Before we begin this video comparison, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here. And now let's move on to comparison. And we will start off from the overview of the main pros and cons of each of the options that you can use. And we will start off from Zoho Flow and see some of the advantages and disadvantages of using this service.
Zoho Flow is a no-code automation platform designed for workflow automation and integration. It allows businesses to connect various applications and automate tasks using a user-friendly visual interface. The main pros of Zoho Flow is the no-code approach, extensive app integrations, workflow automation, and scalability. The cons of Zoho Flow include limited customization and subscription costs. So Zoho Flow is excellent for basic to medium complexity workflows, but its limitations become apparent in highly complex scenarios requiring extensive conditional logic or data transformation. One significant advantage is the Zoho Flow community, which provides a repository of pre-built flows. Businesses can leverage this to quickly set up common integrations, saving time and resources. Moving on to the pricing of the Zoho Flow, it is very customizable, so you can choose the pricing plans that will suit your business needs. The standard pricing plan starts from 24 euros per month for 5,000 tasks, and 5 million tasks will cost 2,300 euros per month. For professional pricing plan, it's 41 euros per month for 10,000 tasks and 2,500 euros per month for 5 million tasks.
Moving on to Zoho Catalyst, let's see how it looks like and how can you use it.
So Zoho Catalyst is a pro-code development platform that supports the languages of Swift, Kotlin, Java, Python, Node.js, JS, HTML, and CSS, and works with a lot of different frameworks. With Zoho Catalyst, you can build, test, host, deploy, and optimize different solutions. It has more than 30 scalable services for custom application development, such as AppSnail, QuickML, web client hosting, data store. Also for AI and ML, Zia services, ConvoCraft, and QuickML. For serverless, there's Functions, AppSnail, and Circuits. For backend, CloudScale and Smart Browse. And for DevOps, APM, logs, and automation testing. The cons of using Zoho Catalyst is limited third-party integrations and a longer learning curve. The pricing of Zoho Catalyst is usage-based, so you pay only for what you use. Depending on usage, Catalyst will automatically ensure that you always end up paying a lower bill. So the things that you can customize include the functions, for example, the number of function calls, average execution time, and memory configured for the function. Circuits, the state transition, data store, which includes the operational costs and storage costs, the file store, which also includes operational and storage costs, cache, intelligence by Zia, that includes the OCR, object recognition, face analytics, barcode scanning, AutoML, image moderation, different services, the API gateways, emails, web client hostings, and some additional services like automation testing. So you can customize all of these fields and get a personalized pricing plan, ensuring again that you pay a lower price and only for what you need.
And now let's move on to external server and some of the options that you may use and what are the pros and cons of using this.
So for some businesses, an external server may be a preferred option when it comes to integration, automation, and app development. This approach typically involves setting up and managing your own servers or using cloud-based servers such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud to host custom integration solutions. The pros of using an external server is a full control, broad compatibility, and scalability. But there are also some cons. For example, the infrastructure management is much more complicated and the development type is longer.
So I showed you some of the main features of Zoho Catalyst, Zoho Flow, and also the advantages and disadvantages of using the external server. So you can see that external server is more complicated, although it offers a bit more capabilities, but I want to concentrate on why I should recommend using either Zoho Flow or Zoho Catalyst. And starting off from the integration capabilities, Zoho Flow and Zoho Catalyst are already seamlessly integrated into the Zoho system of the apps, so you can easily integrate them within the other apps that you're already using, for example, Zoho CRM. And now let's talk about the ease of use and accessibility. So Zoho Flow is a no-code developer platform, so you don't need to have a technician expertise to build different workflows. Also, let's talk about the cost and resources efficiency. So the external server itself is not that much more expensive than Zoho Flow or Zoho Catalyst, but it usually requires a significant upfront investment in the hardware and software. And on the other hand, Zoho Flow and Zoho Catalyst are cloud-based solutions, so you don't need to invest into the hardware. You can use these apps on any kind of computer or a laptop. And the same goes for maintenance. To maintain an external server, you usually need more IT workers, and with Zoho Flow or Zoho Catalyst, you don't really need support. Zoho also offers support, or we as Zoho partners also can offer you support packages that will be definitely more cheaper than hiring the staff to maintain an external server. And also the scalability. For example, Zoho Catalyst offers automatic scalability, and Zoho Flow also offers some scaling up capabilities, not as advanced as Zoho Catalyst, but they're still there and you can easily use them. And the next crucial point is security. Zoho is a big corporation and its data security is aligned with ISO standards and also HIPAA standards. So all of your data is secured while using Zoho Flow or Zoho Catalyst. When you're using external server, you can't be completely sure that there won't be any data breaches and data leaks from the server to external servers. And another advantage of using Zoho Flow and Zoho Catalyst is fast deployment and easy learning how to use these apps. So to set up the external server, it will take much more time, resources, and money and staff comparing to using Zoho Flow or Zoho Catalyst. And in conclusion, I would say that all of these three options are for different business needs. So starting off from Zoho Flow, it's perfect for small and medium-sized businesses. Zoho Catalyst is more advanced, so it's perfect for medium and larger-sized businesses. And I think using external server is only a valid option if you're a large business that has all of the resources and want to build your own solution. But if you're a mid-sized business or a small business, I would highly recommend using Zoho Flow or Zoho Catalyst. And also, if you're a larger business, you can still use Zoho Catalyst because it's an advanced app. I really hope that the information that I shared is helpful for you. If you have any questions about Zoho Catalyst, Zoho Flow, or any of the other apps, you can write them down in the comments below and we will answer them. And also, you can book a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box, where you can ask any questions about Zoho implementation, integration, service, or technical support, and we will find the right solution for you. In the description box, I also left the links where you can try Zoho Flow or Zoho Catalyst and see if you like it for your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share on this channel.